Welcome back. Talsanzor residents have asked for extension of another 4 weeks. The residents met the comunidade administrator and prayed for extension. However, the administrator has rejected the appeal. The residents of Talsanzor will meet CM Parrikar to seek his intervention into the matter once again.
The demolition order to 42 structures on comunidade land at Talsanzor was served on 6 September. However, they were given additional time of 10 days to vacate the houses. They have prayed for more 4 weeks' time.
They have filed an application for extension of time, praying for extension of 4 weeks. This application for extension of time is not allowed. I have rejected their prayers for extension of time. Whichever structures are not removed, then that report will be filed to the collector, requisitioning demolition squad. We will be asking and requisitioning demolition squad from the collector, because there is no any stay order or any such order status quo given by any court. At least my office is not served with any such status quo or any such stay order. So the order is still valid.
The residents have decided to meet CM Parrikar to seek his intervention into the matter and save the structures.
आमी हे कशें टॉयलेट करपाना आनी तरी पूण आमी आतां आमी सीएमावर वतले आनी सीएमान आमकां एश्युरन्स दिल्ले की आपूण मोडपाना म्हणून. सो आमी तेजे बरोबर वचून आमकां कितली खात्री आसा सीएम आमची करतलो म्हणून, कित्याक आमी सगळे जे स्टेईंग 42 स्ट्रक्चर वी हॅविंग द आउटसाइड दॅट इज ऑल आर गोवन, मोस्टली गोवन, एंड वी आर स्टेईंग लास्ट more than 20 years. So they cannot demolish, and we are going for challenge in the High Court now.
Sangeeta Naik said the Marga comunidade will have to file a report after inspecting the place and structures that are being demolished. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Fisheries Minister Avartan Purtad has refused shielding his PSO Ajay Anancha in an assault case. He said the guilty should be punished. Ajay is alleged of abusing a PSI and assaulting a gatekeeper of Shivam Theatre in Vasco on Sunday. All the 3 persons have been granted constitutional bail by the District Court in Margao.
The District Court of Margao has granted conditional bail to all 3 persons involved in Vasco assault case. Earlier, their bail application was rejected by the Vasco JMFC. They were given 14 days judicial custody.
Released by Honorable Session Judge with the surety of amount of ₹5,000 and with other conditions to cooperate with the investigation officer and to make them available whenever they called at police station.
Ajay Anancha is the personal security officer for Fisheries Minister Avartan Purtado. He, along with 2 persons, are alleged of abusing a PSI and assaulting the gatekeeper of Shivam Theatre in Vasco.
It was his personal issue, and I think the police should investigate what exactly has happened. And there are rumors that I am trying to release him, but nothing. Police will investigate and let them only take action against him, because I will not interfere in this matter. Because if he has done something wrong, he has to be punished.
PSO, along with Pankaj Kaulekar, Santosh Qureshi, was stopped, intercepted by the gatekeeper as they tried to enter the theatre premises without valid tickets. Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Fatorda constituency has now turned into a political battlefield. Chairperson of Margao, Arthur De Silva, has plans to join the BJP. Former Fatorda MLA Damu Naik has welcomed the entry wholeheartedly, whereas MLA of Fatorda Vijay Sardesai says he has no threat from Arthur and he can take any candidate in Fatorda by the horns.
The politics for development in Fatorda has begun. Arthur has decided to join BJP with developmental plans.
BJP join जावपा लागून आमले वेल विशयार आमकां फोर्स करतात. समज आनी मडगांवां तर बरें जावपा शकता, इतले वर्सां जावन आनी आतां तर बरें जावपा शकता, जाल्यार हांव तेंचे गडे आयकुपा शकता. एम्बिशन म्हणटा तें सदांच वयरच आसपा जाय, सकयल येवपा जायना.
Damu Naik says party welcomes any well-wisher of the party.
खंयच कोणाचोच जागो फिक्स खंयच आसना, कोणाचोच जावं. जगाची सायकलच आसा, गोल आसा. तो गोवन आसली तशें त्या जाग्याचेर परतो येवपाचो तो येतलोच. आनी हीच म्हजी खुर्ची आनी तीच ताजी खुर्ची अशें आमी काय ना. No comments. पक्षाची दारां ही आमची सदांच ओपन आसात. पक्षाची जर ध्येय धोरणां कोणाक जर आवडली सो अशा वेळाचेर सगळे कोणाकी जर दिसले पक्षान जॉइन जावचें ताणें अवश्य जॉइन जावचें.
But Vijay Sardesai says he has defeated Congress and BJP in Fatorda and so will do in near future.
I am not scared of anybody. Number one, I have got elected independent. I fought the BJP and the Congress. And I am still capable of fighting the BJP and the Congress in the future. The most dynamic so-called Fatorda candidate who is very much in the net. तो BJP नासून म्हाका कांय फरक पडूंक ना जाल्यार आनी कोणाली पळता.
The politics had just started for development in Fatorda. Arthur had contested last assembly election as independent candidate from Fatorda against Damu and Vijay, but lost it. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
District and Sessions Court at Mapsa has reserved its order on anticipatory bail of mastermind in MLA prostitute case Baldev Raj Tukral and co-accused Sanjay Agarwal. The court will pronounce the order on Thursday. Panji Police has opposed the anticipatory bail, saying that the custodial interrogation is required in this case. Baldev Raj had arranged girls for MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh.
During the argument before the court at Mapsa, Panji Police stated that Baldev Raj is the middleman between MLA Mahendra Kumar Singh and the girls who were presenting mujra at the time of raid. Another accused, Sanjay Agarwal, had booked the rooms in a hotel at Kandoli for the MLA and his companions. Police also said that investigation is still inconclusive and they require custodial interrogation of both the accused. The court has reserved its order for Thursday. Panji Police on 28th of August had arrested UP legislator Mahendra Kumar Singh with 5 other accused and 6 girls were rescued in the raid at Hotel Viva Goa at Kampal. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.